Hello friends, it's another beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get our day started. That means you're going to put your hand over your heart and we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side. I am somebody, I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dream. Okay, friends, what is the name of our month this month? What is the name of the month? It is... Good job. May. It is May. Perfect. So it is May, and now we need to find out what today is. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay. So yesterday was Thursday, and that means tomorrow is, no, yesterday was Thursday, which means today is Friday, 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 Friday. It's Friday. So if today is Friday, that means tomorrow is Saturday. Good job. Let's count to find out the date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. And tomorrow will be Saturday. Do we do class on Saturdays? No. Do we do class on Sundays? Nope. And Sunday comes right after Saturday. So we'll see everyone back on Monday. All right, weather watchers, what's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? So I want you to go check the window, and I'm going to count back from 10, and then we're going to talk about the weather. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so, and we're back. The weather today is it raining or snowing or windy? No, it's not really any of those things. I saw the sun today, so that means it's not all the way cloudy. But I did see a few clouds, so I think it's another one of those partly sunny, partly cloudy days today. Alright, so we've had a beautiful week of weather, and it's going to be super warm outside today too. Very warm. The temperature is going to be very warm. Let's get a little bit of sorting practice in this week. So let's see, let's decide, there's a couple different ways I could sort these. And you're going to tell me how I am sorting them. How am I sorting these shapes? I am sorting them by shape, right, by what they are. Because these are all stars. This group over here is full of triangles. And this group over here is circles. So let's count and find out how many are in each group. Ready? How many circles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 circles. How many stars do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 stars. And how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. So we have 5 triangles, 8 stars, and 4 circles. Which one of these groups has the least amount of shapes? The least amount. That means that they have the smallest number of shapes. Which one has the least amount? The circles. Good job, because there's only 4 circles and 4 is the smallest. That's the smallest group that's on this screen. All right, friends, moving right along. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. Now let's count back. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job, friends. Okay, so the counting song is down below, and it practices counting all the way to 100 for my friends who are super proficient at counting to 20. Challenge yourselves and practice counting all the way to 100. All right? And now it's number time. So as you all know, this week we're talking about numbers because we have finished all the letters of the alphabet. So we're talking about making the numbers 0, 1, and 2. In order to make 0, 1, and 2, you're going to need a big line, a little line, and 2 big curves. So we're going to start with 0. 0 is one big curve and another big curve. And that makes a 0, which looks a lot like an O, but as a number, this is called 0. So you make a 0, you start at the top, you make a big curve, keep going, and stop. And what's the name of that number? 0. So when you're drawing it, you start at the top and you make a big curve, keep going, and stop. Now let's talk about the number 1, which is a pretty easy number to do because all you need is one big line. So get that big line on your mat, and when you're making the number 1, you start at the top and you just make a big line down. What is that? How do you make a 1? You just start at the top and you make a big line down. That's how you make the number 1. This is the number what? Number 1. And last but not least, we have the number 2. So 2, you need one big curve and a little line across. So when we're making a 2, we start at the top and we make a big curve, little line across. And what's the name of that number? 2. That's the number 2. Show me 2. 2. That's the number 2. So when we're making it, again, we make a big curve and then a little line across. Please remember I had a super cute video down in the Show More link down in the Show More that goes to a video about making numbers, about writing numbers, and it's super cute. So and it's also catchy, which is nice because then they have an easier time remembering how to make those numbers. So that is below. Also below is the link to the nursery rhyme for this week. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho the dairy-o. The farmer plants the seeds. Kind of goes along with what we were talking about last week with plant growth and what you all are witnessing with your grass that's hopefully growing or starting to grow soon. So go ahead there. There's quite a few verses and it's a very nice song. All right, Herman the Worm is our dance music for today, and the Body Boogie. The Body Boogie. All of our stories this week, as you know, were all about insects and insect growth, mostly about butterflies and caterpillars, because that's an easy one for us to look at. So we're going to continue that today, but next week we will start with animals. So growth in animals. We did plants, then we did insects, and now we're going to do animals. So next week's going to be about animals. Okay, friends, so before we jump to our last video of the butterflies, a life cycle, I just want to review one more time. So they start out as an egg, and then they turn into out of the egg comes the caterpillar, who then wraps itself up in a cocoon or chrysalis, and then after that turns into a beautiful butterfly. And then the butterfly lays the eggs. So we go over and over again in the same cycle, just like a pattern of how that goes. I also wanted to review my butterfly journal for this week before we look at our little video. So I have all the days that I've done so far. Remember yesterday we talked about it made a web. And then I have here today's journal. So again, I'm doing this with the morning class friends, but because you all are also doing it at home. So if you're looking, or maybe you're not doing it, but we can just review it this way. So he's still a caterpillar. Today's date is May 15th, 2020. It is day 5 with our caterpillar. And I drew a picture of the caterpillar, and he's quite a bit larger than he was, because he was pretty tiny in the beginning. So now he's a lot bigger. Not only is he a lot bigger than he was the other day, but he also, you can kind of see it, but I put like a white line down the middle because he's got like this white stripe down his side. So that was my observation for today, which was it has a white line. So when we're reading it, it's just, it has a white line, because it has a white line down its side. I don't know what it is. It's just part of the design of the caterpillar, I guess. But that's what I wrote today for my observation. All right. So moving on, we're going to watch a quick little video that is real life, a really speed up video of what is happening and what happens to a caterpillar. Alrighty friends, so that was your last glimpse at the butterfly life cycle for this week. Again, we're going to keep watching these caterpillars and keep working on keeping them safe so that they can grow into big, beautiful butterflies. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I miss you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon.